So today I am trying to work out the rear anti-roll bar, and I've got two of these. I've got like a solid bar type, like a normal sort of spring steel bar, and I've got this one. I've been told that this is the style that everybody goes for, which is a piece of tube. This is 38mm seamless tube. I've looked at quite a few pictures, and from what I can see, it normally has some brackets in here. There's some roller bearings in the end of there, and they just sit in there like that. So the issue I've got is you can just sneak that in behind there, but you're never going to get in behind it to get the bolt in and out unless I cut a hole, like an access hole in the inside of there. Or I could just drill a hole here, I was thinking, because it would just fit straight in between those. But then the bolt on the other side's gonna foul on the shock. One of the pictures I saw, the bracket was stepped out a little bit, which then would allow a bit of access to get in to get to the bolt to hold it in. The only issue with that is this is obviously then too long, so I'm going to have to cut this down, move this in, and then make some brackets up. But I think what I'm going to do is just remake this piece. So yeah, I'm going to remake that piece. I've got some new bearings that will fit. I'll just have to machine the end of the tube out a little bit. Right, so I got my end pieces cut. Got my piece of tube, which I only had 2.6mm wall tube, so I've skimmed this down in the centre section, so it's now 2mm wall through the centre, same as the other one. And then these will basically just get welded on like that. It's fully welded now. Just need to put the bearings back in. Right, so I just made this on the lathe. M10 thread. That is a nice fit in the bearing. That's obviously the bracket that's welded into the car. Bolt will go through that side. Spacer in there. Bearing in the under there. So that sits like that. You have a hole cut here with a drop link going down to the arms, and then I need to make a bracket which will mount on here, on this back plate somewhere, to pick up the drop link. From looking at pictures, that's about where it sits normally, as far as I can tell. I think these might be a little bit long, but I can lock these off wherever they need to end up. Once I've got these holes cut here and the drop links set up, obviously I can see, you know, how many of those holes will actually be usable. Anything that's not, I'll just cut off the end. I'm happy with that. It's lighter than this one. I'm happy with the way it connects in. You can get your fingers up in there to get to the bolt, and you can just get a spanner in the back of there to do it up. So it's good. It's solid. You know, that isn't going anywhere. So I'm not far off having all the fabrication side of things done. I've just got to mount the pedal box, the seat, and the steering column, and then I think I can start painting it, which I'm actually quite looking forward to painting it this time. Trans spares are going to be helping out with the paint again. I'm still not sure what colour to do it yet, or what colours. I want something classic looking. If you've got any ideas, stick them in the comments. I think I like the idea of having the roof a different colour to the body. Maybe do the roof and the interior one colour, and then the rest of it a different colour. The last paint job I did come out good in the end, but I painted quite a few of the panels 3 times, I think, and I painted the whole car twice, so I ended up using a lot of paint and materials, so hopefully this time I can get it done first time around. Another thing, my mate Trig is organising a private track day for classic pre-95 cars at Castle Combe on the 22nd of June. It's a Wednesday. There's 10 spaces left for that. If you're interested, I'll put his email address in the description box. Yeah, if you fancy a retro only track day, then get booked in. Also, if you are in the market for some new tools, Evolution Tools have given me a 10% discount to any of you guys on anything on their website up until the end of May, and it will drop to 5% in June. But basically anything on their website, just stick the code URCHFAB in at the end, and you'll get 10% off. Easy as that. They sent me some of their new cordless stuff to try out. Got a drill, circular saw. I've got a little project I'm doing at home. I'm going to try and build an office in the garden to do my editing, so these will come in handy for that. It's more woodworking stuff rather than metalworking stuff, but if you look on their website, they've got a whole page of fabrication tools. I will put a link to their website in the description. That's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.